Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Chatbot in WordPress. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. I have in here my WordPress site. Now what you can do in this case is to scroll down right here until you can see this option for plugins. Head over and click on this plugins right here in order to see your plugins that you have available. Now for this case, let's click on this in here in order to search and search in here for Chatbot. Once you have done that, you should be able to see a lot of chatbot that you can install. Personally, I want you to install this Crisp, Live Chat, and Chatbot. So as you can see, this is actually free to install. So what you can do is head over and then upgrade and activate this. So head over and click on this right here. Now you can see right here that the Crisp has been installed, and we can head over and then see its settings right here. So head over and click on this open Crisp inbox right here in order to see what it looks like, and then from in there you should be able to see the Crisp itself. You can also have the option to edit the settings right here up your Crisp, but that's totally up to you. So just head over and then just wait for this to finish the loading. Now from in here, you should be able to see a login option. So head over and then sign in your email address as well as your password from in there. So I have successfully integrated the Crisp. Now I should be able to receive messages or inbox from visitors of my site in order to reply to them right here. So as you can see, I have 4 unresolved chats from in there, and I should be able to reply to them one by one from this Crisp things. So this Crisp has already been added to my website, and then from in there I can actually send messages to people who want to ask me some things. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.